Here's an invisible fasten off for crochet. This is a sample piece I crocheted in a continuous round of single crochets, and I'm at the end of the last row. I'm going to cut the yarn and fasten off like I normally would. This means I'm going to pull the hook outwards. Thread the yarn onto your needle. We're going to skip the first stitch and go into the second stitch, both loops, from front to back. Pull the yarn tail through. If you tug the yarn a bit, it should fully cover the first stitch that is underneath it. Then, go through the last stitch of the round, back loop only, from front to back. Pull that yarn through also. Once you pull that yarn through, you've essentially created a fake stitch to cover the first stitch. Pull the yarn tail until the tension is about even. This is what your edge should look like afterwards. I like to fasten off this way to finish most of the pieces for any dolls that I make. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe.